For years, laundry has been done the same exact way. It's something that's taken lots of time away from our busy lives. It has to get done, and someone has to do it. But now there's a way to have your laundry washed, sorted, and folded for you. With City Cleaner's home delivery laundry service, you can get your clothes cleaned for you whenever you need, giving you more time for the things that matter to you. All you have to do is leave your clothes in the provided bag at your designated area, and we take care of the rest. 3 days later, your clothes return clean, sorted, and ready to wear. You don't even have to be home when we visit. Now you can have all of your laundry done in a fast, convenient, and eco-friendly way, simply by putting it into a bag. You've trusted us for over 130 years with your higher-end garments. Now, let us handle all of your laundry for you. City Cleaner's Home Laundry, available at all of our locations. Sign up at citycleaner.com. City Cleaners. Being the oldest doesn't make you the best. Being the best makes you the oldest.